What's up? This is going to be part 2 of detailing videos on my car. I'm going to do the engine bay and exhaust tips. We'll start with the engine bay. Yesterday I did the wheels and tires. I took the wheels off and cleaned the whole inside and out of the tires and wheels. Put Adam's paint sealant on the wheels, and I did some tire dressing. So if you want to see that video, skip back to yesterday. So I already washed the car, and when I do that, after I'm done, I pop the hood to dry. It gets wet around here and around the edges and the hood, and I just dry it out a little bit. It's a little bit dusty. It's not too dirty. I'm going to use some specialized cleaner for plastic and leather. You can use all-purpose cleaner, you can use detail spray, you can use waterless wash, you can use water with soap. You can use a brush to agitate it if it's a little bit dirtier, but I'm just going to use this plastic leather cleaner. Works pretty good. This is just a generic bottle. I'm just going to pop the engine cover off so I can clean that separately, and then clean underneath it. I'm just going to clean this cover first. Just going to set it out of the way and clean the rest of the inside. So for all the rest of this inside here, I'm just going to spray on my towel so I don't get it all over the overspray over anything else. This is going to be the most fun part, down here by the valve covers and coil packs. Just got to get in there and take your time. So that's all it takes. Like I said, it wasn't too dirty, it was just a little dusty. I'll pop the engine cover back on and that should be it. I'm not going to put any dressing on or anything. I don't need to attract any more dust than I already am. So for a really dirty engine bay, you can spray water in it. The only thing I really would recommend is not to spray directly into electrical connections and cover any exposed air filters. Other than that, it shouldn't be a problem at all. Just be careful. I've sprayed in my engine bay of my truck many times without problems. But if it's not too dirty, just use a towel and a cleaner and wipe over it. Should be good to go. So I'm just try a little polishing on my exhaust tips. This is a Mother's Power Cone. Works really good for exhaust tips. I'm just going to use some buffing compound. I'm sure this would work a lot better with actual metal polish, but I'm just going to see what happens. This is the Solo Performance axle back. I got special 3.5-inch tips because it usually comes with 3s. I just think the 3.5s look a lot better. But these tips that came with it, they're not really the best quality looking. They're not really polished to a mirror finish. So I'm just gonna hit it and see what happens. I don't think they're really gonna change much, but this will really just clean them up a little bit too. So like I thought, didn't really do anything. Clean them up nicely, but they're just not polished enough to shine up really nice like a mirror. But I don't mind the look. It's a little bit kind of a brushed look, but stuff works really good if you have dirty exhaust tips like black stains. I have another video actually, if you want to watch it, of polishing my dad's truck exhaust tip. Turned out really nice. But anyway, so next video I'm probably going to be doing the Adams paint sealant on the whole body and retreating the windshield and the windows and stuff like I said last video. So if you want to see that, come back next time. Thanks for watching.